Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple Carplay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors. We're going to have our cup holder and storage on the bottom, as well as equipped with our rear liftgate control. Speakers equipped at the bottom as well. It's going to come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows, and those chrome accent handles. Of course, you're going to have your Equinox badging. Power driver's seat, passenger's manual, but both heated, very comfortable. You're going to have that two-tone stitch finish. You're going to have your ventilation and lighting on the left. And moving on to the steering wheel on the left is our cruise control, forward collision alert, and as well as our lane keep assist. On the right side is our voice recognition and your odometer cluster control. With the odometer cluster control, you can access trip A, trip B, as well as fuel information, oil life, tire pressure, air filter, and other vehicle information as well. You're going to have your push to start. Of course, up top, we're going to have our Apple Carplay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and OnStar navigation and services. You can also access your climate control, your park assist, as well as, you said, heated seats. Down below, 2 USB ports and a 12-volt DC port. Park assist, as well as your all-wheel drive. You're going to have your cup holders, obviously, parking brake, a little key holder, and center console storage as well. Like I said, passenger side's going to be manual. You're going to have that 2-stitch finish. Still heated, very comfortable. It's going to have the same things on the door. You're going to have your vents up top, as well as speakers on each side. OnStar services and your SOS can be accessed through up here as well. And of course, sunglass case holder. So we're going to have these 18-inch alloy wheels, of course. We're going to have the paint match mirror cap and paint match keyless entry door handles. Back, you're going to have deep tint in the rear glass, as well as you're going to have your black badging right there as well. Oh, didn't hit it. There we go. Open up in the rear now. We're going to have our foldable seats as well. You're going to have extra tow hooks on the sides, and as well as extra wheel well storage. Very spacious rear. And moving into the rear now, it's gonna same style, speakers on the bottom equipped with the cup holder and storage. Gonna come up here with the chrome accent handle, just with the power windows. Lots of leg room, storage behind the passenger seat. You're gonna have rear ventilation with rear USB ports. As well right in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, lane keep assist, OnStar services and navigation, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.